Chicken breast rolls without an oven. Cut the chicken breast lengthwise into thin slices. Pound the chicken fillet with a schnitzel mallet until it becomes tender. Place a sheet of plastic wrap. In a bowl with grated mozzarella, add grated boiled eggs. Season with black pepper and salt. Add mayonnaise and mix well. Fry the finely chopped mushrooms in a pan with vegetable oil. Season with salt and lemon juice. Mix well. Put the mushrooms in the bowl and mix all the ingredients well. Place the filling on the edge of the meat slice. Add cheese. Roll the fillet tightly with the filling. Cut off the ends of the roll. Then cut the roll in half. Place on a cutting board. Take another slice of chicken breast. Place a spoonful of filling and a slice of cheese on the edge. Roll just as tightly. Cut off the ends of the roll, then cut in half. Coat all the rolls in flour. Then dip in beaten eggs. Place the rolls in the pan with hot vegetable oil. Fry the rolls for 10 minutes on all sides until they brown nicely. Remove the rolls onto a serving platter. In the bowl with mayonnaise, add mustard, lemon juice, chopped green olives, red onion, celery, parsley, sweet paprika, sugar, black pepper, and salt. Mix the sauce. Add boiled potatoes and mix the salad. I make chicken rolls in a pan because they turn out much tastier. They are just as flavorful regardless of the filling you choose. Serve the rolls with potato salad or greens, or a delicious sauce.